Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Wednesday, March 13th. This is a quick recap on how the trading went today. And it was crazy. It was a little bit crazy today because early this morning, I was streaming and I got interrupted for a good reason. My wife informed me that somehow, at some point this morning, our sewage line backed up. Basically, what happened was the contractors that have been here the last couple of days, they hit a stake through down into the ground, and it went through it hit our sewage line, and therefore it backed up. It got clogged, and this morning, we had such a mess in our basement. It's beyond description, but just basically the sewage, we were, flushing toilets and not knowing that everything was backed up, and it was backing up through the drain, and we have a finished out basement. So you can imagine what kind of mess we had. So ended stream this morning, called the plumbers. And I was in and out of the office a lot this morning, just helping clean up. But I was taking I still kept trading during the day. I would kind of put a trade on and continue to go help clean up. And I'd come back, check on the trade, and it actually worked really well. I actually had a really good day trading, and thankfully. So this morning we actually took a $280 loss right here on stream. And then somewhere here is where we ended stream. And then here throughout the afternoon, I basically scalped my way back to green. And we ended the day $89.18 in profit, which is only $20 away from reaching that profit threshold. So hopefully we can hit that tomorrow. But I was pretty happy with that. I will say, my last trade I entered turned into an ass trade, and very thankful that we were able to escape with hitting our profit target, but it was a little bit crazy. It was this trade right here. Entered right here on a terrible entry. I was trying to predict a breakout, which I know better and I know not to do, and I did it anyway, and I paid the price for it. I went through about $300 to $400 of drawdown, and thankfully before it hit my stop was like right here, so we were about 4 or 5 points away from hitting my stop, and I would have been pretty upset at myself, but thankfully it reversed, hit my profit target, and then I stopped trading on that account. So let's jump to our other 50K accounts. Here we go. So we need to go over this account. So this account was passed, and man, I almost messed up. I had passed this account yesterday, and that was the last trade I took. And then I was trading on my stream account for most of the afternoon, and then I switched back, and I wanted to take a trade. I saw a good setup. I was kind of in a hurry, and I saw a good setup that I wanted. And I just quickly entered the trade without double checking what account I'm on. And sure enough, I was on the account that was already passed, and I saw it immediately, and immediately I was like $30, $40 in drawdown, and I wasn't quite sure what to do. I was about ready to stroke out, but I didn't panic. I decided, you know what, I'm going to set my take profit to 1 tick of take profit, and I think I was $60 in drawdown at one point, but thankfully price came back, hit my profit target of 1 tick, and I'm like, I'll never do that again. So thankful that didn't end in a catastrophe. But then here's our streaming account, and then we have this account, which is $100 close to the profit threshold. This account is $100 close to the threshold, and this account is $150 close. So we have 3 of these accounts. Actually, 4 of these accounts are really close. Hopefully we can get those across the profit threshold by Friday and submit for a payout. And then this account is this account is the account that we took a big L on yesterday. I think we had over a $800 loss, and I was pretty happy. We made back almost half of it. So that was awesome. On this account, I instead of having a 13 tick take profit, I actually had a 20 tick take profit, and that worked pretty well. So anyway, pretty happy with that. And then I actually traded for the first time. I traded one of the accounts that I've already taken a payout from. I kind of like the price action this afternoon where we were just slow and steady grinding higher. And I would just kind of buy at the bottom of that channel, and took 2 trades. Both of them hit the profit target. So very happy with that. Now we have a little bit more wiggle room on this account. So that was awesome. But yeah, all in all, had a really good day trading. And regardless of what happened this morning with the sewage, everything, it is what it is. We do have it almost cleaned up, and things are starting to go back to a little bit normal. We still have quite a bit of cleanup to finish up, but it looks like it's feasible. So thankful for that, and it could have been a lot worse. So anyway, that wraps it up, and I will be back tomorrow streaming, hopefully normal schedule. Hopefully we don't have any more issues. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great evening. Take care, and God bless.